Hi, hello, and welcome to autopostingtools.com. Today I'm going to show you how you can find the most searched products on eBay and the most purchased products on eBay. So, if you purchase the software, you will see that we have over 180 different modules, and we have a lot of e-commerce modules. In there, you will find the eBay Explorer Product Scraper. So, these are the best-selling products. Click on that. This will open up. Click on Open Firefox. This will open Firefox for us and we will be able to interact with it. So as you can see, it's orange. That means that it's working. Here I have an option to find different categories, or the categories are here already. So you can choose whichever you want. Now let's say you want to do the phone category and accessories. You click on Navigate. This will navigate to eBay Explorer. And here you will see all the products that are the most popular on the category for the cell phones. Now you can click scroll and then click extract. So you can see here these are the most popular products. This is how many people purchase that specific product. You can click on one of these and then click on and see the listing, and a new window will open that is going to show you the listing for that product, which will be this one. Now here you could get all the buyers, and you can also get if you change this to the most viewed items, you can see that they are here. And you can also extract them. So here you see this is the product name, the price, the shipping, and how many people watch this. So how many views that product specifically had. If it's an eBay deal, you will see it here. You will see the product ID here, a picture, and the product URL that you can use to go and watch the product. So now that you know that these products are the ones that are selling, what you can do is go and put this product in your store, make it a little bit more expensive, and then if somebody purchases from your store, go to eBay and purchase the product and basically send it to the person with the address that you just got. So this way you can make very easy money. Basically, you just need to be posting the products on a different store that you own and that you control the prices. If somebody purchases, you go purchase the product and ship it to the customer, and you keep the difference on whatever amount you increase the price on. And that's how it works, guys. So if you want to save all this, just click on this corner, Control C, open Excel and paste it, and that way you can save everything. Here, as you can see, we have all these different categories that you can just go and get products from. So if you want to get this along the 180 modules plus all the e-commerce modules, you could do that in autopostingtools.com. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.